You probably ask yourself this: can I build my own website for my business? Yes, you can, but the better question is, should you be? Because while DIY website builders make it look easy, what they don't show is the stuff that actually gets you customers. Hey, I'm Jonathan Pu'u, founder of Real Quick Design and Consulting. We help contractors and local businesses build digital systems that bring in the real customers, not just traffic and clicks. In today's episode, I'm giving you the no fluff breakdown of what it really takes to build your own website and how to know if it's worth doing yourself. So let's get into it. Yes, you can build it, but will it work? Drag and drop builders like Wix, Squarespace, and even some WordPress templates make it easy to create something that looks decent, but here's the problem. Most business owners stop at design. They don't build strategy. So that means no clear call to action, no real flow to guide the visitor to take action on their website. Maybe there's too many clicks, or maybe the forms are not optimized in the right position, and no local SEO, which means no one's finding your site in the first place. Just because you can build it doesn't mean it's going to work the way you need it to. The top mistakes DIY builders make. We've reviewed hundreds of DIY websites, and here are the most common issues. There's no clear message in the first 5 seconds in that top fold section of the website that we talk about here on the channel. Generic copy that doesn't speak to the customer. Stuff like you guys, all you customers. If you are in this area and you need a service and they list off all the millions of services that they do, that's not optimized. Maybe there's a contact form that's buried or broken. How many times have you been to a website where you fill out the contact form and you never hear back from the business? I've been there. The mobile version looks totally off. It's not optimized, or maybe it's not even mobile friendly. They have an old website that just doesn't work. There's slow load speeds from massive uncompressed photos. So that way that actually affects how you appear in Google as well. If you didn't know that, now you know. And worst of all, no local SEO setup. So search engine optimization, SEO. It's a term you'll hear a lot in the whole design and digital marketing space. That means Google has no idea what your business does or who you serve. Most DIY sites end up costing more than you think. So here's the deal. You're doing this to save money. Totally understandable. I get it. You want to try to make profits. Someone told you need a website. You're making some money. But if your site costs you 3 lost clients because it didn't show up in a search or didn't convert a visitor, someone landed on there and they didn't end up putting their information, was it really cheaper? What starts as a $10 a month site turns into missed calls, broken forms that don't work, or maybe you're not seeing them, and a month of silence. Maybe you look back and you're like, man, I missed out on, at the end of the year, once you actually check in on that contact form, man, there was 30 contacts that came in there that could have been business and money in your pocket. We see this every week, see it all the time. So let's talk about when DIY can make sense. That said, there are times when building your own website makes sense. You're just getting started and you just need something simple, fast. I get it. Let's say you're tech savvy and you have the time to learn. I get that 100%. Really, I do. Maybe you're planning to rebuild it later with a pro once you validate your offer. That's a great concept. But just know, if you're in a competitive niche like roofing, med spas, personal training, or any local service, you need a site that performs now, not eventually. So here's what to do if you are unsure. If you are ready to build a website, or you already built a website or had one, but you're not sure if it's doing the job, let us take a look. We offer a free website audit, a real quick website audit, no strings attached. We'll review your site and tell you exactly what's working, what's holding it back, and how to get it to turn into a lead generating asset. For those that don't know as well, a lead is a potential customer for you. You want to have as many leads pouring into your door as possible, ideally pre-qualified. If you're slow, you want as many coming in the door as possible. That way you can get your cash flow going. So just head to realquickdesign.com or click the link in the description to request your website audit. Need it done for you option. If you're listening to this and thinking, I just want someone to handle this, I want it done right the first time, we've got you. We build conversion first websites that are SEO optimized, ready to plug and play. They're mobile responsive and they're designed to get you leads. So those new clients or potential new clients, and not just clicks. You don't want just click throughs. You want people to convert. We do it with zero fluff. If you're ready for a done-for-you solution, go to realquickdesign.com or just hit the link down below. And in the next episode, we're walking you through the exact 3-step funnel we use to help contractors book more jobs even during slow seasons. It's simple, scalable, and works whether you're running paid ads or not. So make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever tried building your own website. Let us know how it turned out. You could ask for feedback as well from us through there. And did it end up frustrating you? Did you end up frustrated? I want to know. And again, this is Jonathan at Real Quick Design and Consulting, and I'll see you on the next one.